Oh yeah, so nice to meet you, and thank you for being here for the next Cuddle Puddle production.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, totally. I know, and please, have a seat, make yourself comfortable. I'm just gonna take a second to finish up this script. Is that the Kim Possible ringtone?
Yeah, I was obsessed with it.
Me too. Oh my god. What's the stitch? I knew I was gonna like you. Oh god, that is so funny. What's the stitch? Mr. Popular over here. You in a group chat or something?
Yeah, the new Bridgerton is out.
No spoilers. No spoilers. Oh wow. Oh. Does does your phone have silent mode?
Nah, it's broken.
Sick.